Hey guys, I'm Nitro and you're watching Gadgexploit. If you haven't subscribed our channel, then make sure to subscribe and don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Recently, I uploaded part 1 of Termux beginner video where I explained what is Termux, what are its uses and how to install and set up. I hope you watched that video. If you haven't watched, then I will suggest you to watch it first. After that, you have to watch this video. If you want to watch some recent videos and latest and part 1 of the Termux, then make sure to click on I button on the right side upper corner of this video. You will get a bunch of videos and playlist, so make sure to check out them. Okay, in this today's video I'm going to explain about some basic commands of Termux, and this is some kind of part 2 of Termux. Okay, so make sure to watch this full video without skipping even 1 second. So watching this full video may worth a lot. Okay guys, so first step I would like to suggest you to do it is install Termux and set up all the basic things as I just mentioned in a part 1. After that, you have to open Termux, and when you open Termux, you will get to see this kind of user interface. I hope you are not a beginner at all if you have watched our part 1. Okay, so now here you have to do some stuff like you have to understand. So first step I would like to suggest you is to change repositories. I know some people might be thinking what is repository. I recently explained, or you can simply Google it. You will get a lot of information about repository and its users, etc, etc. Okay, now today here once again I'm going to explain how to change repositories and what are their uses. So whenever we want to get some food, then we will just visit grocery store to buy some food, etc, like grains and cooked food, etc. Whatever you want to fetch, you will just refer store and you will buy one of those things which you would like to buy. Like this, whenever you want to use a specific package in your Termux like Python, it may be Python or Perl, any other languages as well. So whenever you try to fetch them, from where the Termux fetches those things, Termux fetch those things from its own server where everything is stored as stored in a grocery stores like grains, some cooked food and salads, etc. Okay, like this, Termux every package is stored in a server. Whenever you try to fetch some packages, it will just take request from your side and send request to a server, and it receives your request and it sends you a response, which is in short package which get installed in Termux, and you will start using it. As I just used Python in recent video, in part 1. Okay, so now here time to change our repository. Suppose you are trying to install something like Perl and it's showing like a repository error and it's not finding that specific package in any kind of repositories, then either the internet issue or the repositories might not be stable. So to change repository, you have to use this command. So that is Termux -change -repo. So whenever you type this, you will get some kind of cool user interface where you will get some kind of options like a main repository, game repository, science repository. Main repository is that kind of repository where every main package of Termux is being stored, and next one is game repository. If you are a gamer, you are a gaming geek, then you would like to play some games in your command line interface, then you have to select this second repository by just clicking second option. And if you are a experimenting geek, then you would like to experiment every new tool, every new package, not tools, then you should refer science repository, where every non-stable, stable and many mixed things of packages is being stored is only repository, that is science repository. But I will recommend you, if you are a beginner, then I will suggest you and even recommend you to use a main repository. Okay, even if it's not working, try to change repository like game repository or science repository. If it's working fine, then don't touch it. So for now I'm going to select main repository. After selecting that, click on OK, or simply click on space button in your keyboard. After that, click enter, and now here you will get a lot of mirrors. Mirrors are those things in which suppose you are in a grocery store and you will see types of grains and the value of grains, like some packets are like $2 and some are like $10. Same groceries, same grains, but quantity and quality matters, right? So like this, every mirror has its own speed, its own stability and all. So you can select any kind of mirror out there. So suppose I want to select this repository. Just click and jump on specific repository and click on space in your keyboard and just click on enter. So after doing this thing, this mirror will be your default mirror of update and upgrade. I mean, okay, so as you can see, some index files failed to download. They have been ignored or old ones used instead. Sometimes you may face this kind of issue, but just ignore it. So that's why I'm recommending you to use by default mirrors and repositories. Okay, so after doing this all these things, just you have to do one thing, that is apt-get update and apt-get upgrade. So like this you can change repositories and update and upgrade whatever repositories you would like. Then you can just select them and make them as your by default repositories. Okay, now it's time for second thing, that is how to create a new session. And what is a session? So suppose you want to do multitasking at the same time in Termux, but you cannot open Termux twice on a same mobile, right? But you have some features left in this application. So that is just swipe left and you will get to see these options like keyboard, new session. In short, session is kind of page. For suppose you have book and you want to write same thing in 2 pages at the same time, then you will open a new page, and in other hand you will open a other page of same book. Like you can write both of the sides of book at the same time and all. So like this in Termux application you will get options. Okay, if you want to try, then you just have to click on new session, and as you click, as you can see, I just swipe left and I can change my new sessions. Suppose I'm trying to create a Python script here, and at the same time I would like to create a bash script also, then I can do that too. Like this you can use new session, and if you want to exit this session, just click just type exit in your Termux, and after typing, and you just need to click on enter button. As you just do that thing, a session will be vanished, whatever session it may be. You can even name a session, like I can name it as a demo 1, as you can see. But when you exit Termux, the sessions will also be get removed. I mean, they will also exit. You have to create once again a new. So this is some kind of a temporary sessions where you can save your time. Okay, so this is how it works. And if you want extra keys in your keyboard, I mean in your Termux, just click on keyboard, just a long tap. After that you will get some extra features like this, and if you want to disable them, just swipe left once again and long click on this keyboard option. They will just get hidden, or they will be removed from your Termux. So like this you can use Termux. And now let's go ahead towards next command, so that is ls command. So whenever I type ls, ls in short, it's a list. Whatever things you are just downloaded or stored in your home screen, they will be shown in your home screen when you type ls. Suppose I have any mp3 file, then that will be shown here. But for now I don't have any kind of directories or files, so that's why it's showing a blank space and etc. So I would like to create a new file. To do that, I will use a command, that is touch. Now I will create a random file called wish. Now I will just enter, and when I type ls next time after creating a specific file, just an empty file, I will type ls. As you can see, I am seeing a new file that is called wish, which doesn't have any kind of extension, but still it's showing. Okay, so this is how ls command works. And recently I had shown how to git clone a script, and after git cloning a script you have to type ls to cx script, and to get inside of that specific tool you need to type cd and a tool name. Now I will teach you how to create a directory, I mean folder, as you guys create in computers and mobile phones by just simply clicking on create new folder. Even you can do this do that thing in this Termux, but there is some changes. So that is you have to type specific commands to create a new folder. So suppose you want to create a folder, I mean directory, you have to type mkdir, in short make directory. So I would like to add a name, directory name has to be as wish itself. Okay, wisher. After that just click on enter, and then you have to type ls, As you can see, I have one directory, whatever color, whenever you see color purple color in your terminal by default, if it doesn't have any modifications and all, then if it's in a purple color, then just remember it's a directory, I mean folder. If it doesn't have any color, it's just a white color file, then it might be a file, not a directory. Okay, suppose if you want to get inside this folder, just you have to type cd wisher. Suppose it's some kind of tool which you just git cloned from a GitHub, then you want to get inside this folder and use this tool, you have to type cd wisher. And after that, as you can see, even a directory path is showing in the left side in a green color. And after that, you have to type ls, and as you can, there is nothing inside this folder. Suppose you have some kind of Python related script. I'm gonna create a demo file that is called tool1.py. okay, so after typing ls, as you can see, inside this folder now tool has been, I mean script, empty file, which is a Python file, has been created without any issue. Suppose if you want to run this Python file, then let's execute this one, python tool1.py. As you can see, there is nothing inside this file, so that's why it's not showing anything as output. So now it's time to explore next command, that is clear command. Suppose you have created, I mean you had just created many things and typed a lot in your screen so that it's not looking good. Then you would like to clear it. Then you have to type this command, that is clear. After that, as you can see, you are still in the same directory, but whatever you just typed or whatever the thing was on screen has been cleared neatly, I mean cleanly. Now, if you want to get those words or commands once again, then you have to type history. The history is like a whatever you had explored, whatever you just typed. To get it back, you have to type history. As you can see, till now, whatever I have typed in my termux, everything is showing on this screen. And as you can see, I had used touch wish, after that ls, after that mkdir wisher. And this is how you can explore history command. And next command, that is exit, as I had shown what exit does. And now it's time to go back. To go back, you have to simply type cd. I know it's not a proper command, but still you can go back. As you can see, when you type cd and after that you don't give any proper directory name, it will just take you back to the home screen, I mean home directory. Okay, now as you can see, still you can just visit your home directory by typing cd big letter home. Okay, like this you can visit. Okay guys, now let me show you how to access your internal storage or SD card from your this app Termux application. To do that thing, you have to first permit Termux to access your internal storage. To do that, just simply type whatever I'm typing in my screen, Termux -setup storage. Okay, -storage. So after typing this, just click on enter and a small pop-up will be shown on your screen. And as you can see, I didn't got any kind of pop-up, but you may get that kind of pop-up. Just allow it. It's just a storage permission. After that, when you type ls, as you can see, there is a folder called storage. So to explore that, you have to type just cd. After that, you have to type /SD card. Just remember, see everything whatever I have typed in my Termux. Remember space and small letter and big letters and symbols, whatever I have just used. And after typing that, as you can see, the green color font is showing a path like SD card. Now to get into your internal storage, just type ls. As you can see, I have all these files in my internal storage. So that's what exactly showing in my Termux CMD now. Okay, this is how you can access SD card. Now, if you like to see in which directory you are just staying right now, then you have to type pwd. In short, pwd is print working directory. So this is a short form. So print working directory shows you the exact location where you are staying now. As you can see, I am in a home directory. Suppose if I want to get inside this wisher folder, then I will type cd wisher. Now I will type pwd. It means print working directory where I am staying now. So it will show that I am inside wisher directory. So to exit it, I will just type cd. In short, it saves time. Okay, now there are a lot of short commands which may help you to save your time and make process better and all. Now we had learned and explored how to check list, I mean how to check everything which is presented on our home directory, and how to exit a specific session, what is session, and how to create and exit it, and what is keyboard, and how to enable extra keyboard keys in Termux, and how to disable them. And then we learned how to change repositories of Termux, and how to change every mirrors of those repositories. Now it's time to explore more like how to delete a specific directory or tool. To delete a specific directory, you have to type rm -rf. It means recursive force. And after that, you have to type a specific file name or a directory name. Okay, to do that, suppose I don't need this Wisher name directory. I will type its name. As you can see, you have to give a specific space, and every letter should be in a proper way. Like if tool name is in, every letter is in a small, every letter is a small letter, then you have to type exact things. If you type one big letter and one small letter, then that doesn't work. Okay, so make sure to remember. Now when I type this one, and when I type enter, as you can see, after that I will type ls. As you can see, the Wisher named purple colored, I mean dark blue or purple colored directory is no more. It's not present now. It doesn't exist even. So now as you can see, if I want to remove this specific file, then I will simply type rm-wish. No, it won't show you any kind of warnings because this is a file. And when I type ls, as you can see, nothing exists now. Everything has been removed. So this is how these commands work, and even you can do many more things in your Termux. And I hope you liked this video and you learned something new today. And if you're a beginner and you need more series like this, I mean more videos like this, then please make sure to comment down. I will create a new video. If you guys create a demand for specific topic, then I will surely create a video about that topic. So that's all for today. I hope you liked this video. Then don't forget to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to share your feedbacks and suggestions for me from your side. And if you want to chat with me, then every social media links is available in this video's description. Make sure to chat with me. Whenever I will get some time, I will surely reply you, and I will try to solve your problems. So if you want to buy our courses, then every course link is present in this video's description. Then make sure to check out them. Okay, so we will meet in the next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye.